guys, this is Eric Miller at ISTFA 2023, and I'm here at the InfraTec booth with Steven. And Steven, tell me about your infrared camera that you guys have here.
Yes, hi everybody, I'm happy to do that. InfraTec is a company, we make thermography systems, so they have very broad uses in the semiconductor industry, primarily used for failure analysis, for hotspot detection. There's a special technique called lock-in thermography. And the other big area, not so much here at the ISTFA, but generally very interesting, is research in thermal management, getting to know how your chip generates heat and how to get rid of it.
Okay. So is this a camera that's specifically only used for a specific industry or specific task, or is it a more general use kind of instrument?
The camera can be used in many different applications, and microelectronics is one of the largest areas where we sell those cameras and where the cameras are used.
So do you have software that comes with the camera, or is it just the camera?
Yes, we do complete systems. You can get just the components from camera and the software up to the complete system. If you need automated serial inspection systems for your chips.
InfraTec is based here in the US?
The factory is in Germany, R&D and everything is in Germany, and I'm here in the US for InfraTec. We have an office here, no headquarters.
Okay.
We're in Texas.
That's good, that's good. So if people want to find you online, where would they go?
They would go to InfraTec, that's with a TEC at the end, hyphen infrared.com.
Okay. Okay, thanks a lot, Steven.
Thank you. Bye.